Hey scientists, welcome back to Cell Science Central. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question. What would happen if cell parts or organelles suddenly stopped working? We're going to break it down piece by piece today, so let's do this.
Our learning target for today is, I can predict the effect on a cell if individual cell structures stop working.
The nucleus is like the brain of the cell. It holds the DNA and tells the cell what to do. If the nucleus stopped working, the cell wouldn't know how to grow, reproduce, or make proteins. It would be like a school with no principle or rules. Total chaos. Next, the cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that holds everything in place. Without cytoplasm, organelles wouldn't stay in place and important chemical reactions couldn't happen. The cell would be like a messy room. Nothing works when everything's scattered. Next up, the cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what enters and exits the cell. It's like a security guard at a concert. If the cell membrane stopped working, harmful substances could flood in and important materials could leak out. The cell wouldn't survive for long. Next, plants have an extra layer, the cell wall. It gives shape and protection. Without it, the plant cell would lose structure and collapse like a popped balloon. Quick checks for understanding. Number 1, how would the cell be affected if the nucleus stopped working? Number 2, how would the cell be affected if the cytoplasm disappeared? Number 3, how would the cell be affected if the cell membrane took a day off? And number 4, how would the cell be affected if the cell wall got sick? Pause the video and take 4 minutes to write your responses. You got this.
Chloroplasts capture sunlight and help make food through photosynthesis. If chloroplasts stop working, the plant can't make its own food. No energy equals no life. Lysosomes break down waste and worn out parts. They're like the cell's janitors. If lysosomes stopped working, toxic waste will build up and poison the cell from the inside. Disgusting. And finally, the mitochondria. These guys turn food into energy. If mitochondria fail, the cell has no energy to do anything. It's like trying to run a phone with a dead battery. Each organelle is part of a system. If one part fails, the whole cell suffers. Just like your body needs your brain, heart, lungs, and stomach to work together, so do cells. So remember, cells are systems. Every part plays a role. If one piece breaks, the system fails. Quick checks for understanding. Number 1, how would a plant cell be affected if the chloroplast decided to quit? Which organelle would be the first to be affected? Number 2, how would the cell be affected if the lysosomes took a vacation? Number 3, how would the cell be affected if the mitochondria went to sleep on the job? Number 4, how are cell organelles like players on a team? What happens if one or more start malfunctioning? Pause the video and take 5 to 7 minutes to write your responses. Let's go.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment. Which organelle do you think is the most important and why? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome science videos. Learn more, stay curious, explore science. Peace, and have a positive, productive day.